How to maintain consistency. Everything in life. 1. If you really want to do it, commit. Before committing to anything, the most crucial step is to determine your level of desire. People frequently make quick decisions and commit to things simply based on their qualities. They don't give it much thought, so they don't understand what it actually takes to be committed to getting the results. 2. Focus on one important task at a time. Choose one thing and stick with it until it sticks to you. If you have a skill you wish to improve, focus on improving only that one skill. Wait until you've made some good progress and discovered your flow in the first skill before attempting to pick up more. In other words, don't take on more than you can handle and don't allow the explosion of ideas in your mind to distract you. 3. Don't complicate. Make it easy and sustainable when starting something new. Many individuals worry too much over the smallest details. They make things far more difficult than they need to be. If you focus on every little detail, you won't be able to maintain your enthusiasm long. For instance, if you want to lose weight and get fitter, wear your running shoes and take a walk instead of searching for the ideal workout. 4. Establish realistic goals and expectations. Many people have unrealistic expectations for results after seeing other people's quick successes. They overestimate what they can achieve in 6 to 12 months. Things take time to develop. The success stories we hear about people who became overnight heroes are exceptions, not the norm. Aim high, but make your expectations and goals realistic. The Golden Advisor. 5. Prioritize progress over perfection. If there is such a thing as perfection in the human world, then achieving it can take a long time. When we start on a project with enthusiasm, our inner critic and perfectionist tend to come out and point out all the mistakes and errors. Not everything has to happen perfectly and exactly as we expect. Making mistakes is okay, and it's not a big issue if we do it sometimes. 6. Learn to say no. Being consistent requires that you learn to say no. Prioritize your tasks, and don't let any distractions keep you from completing them. If you have committed to something, put it at the top of your list of priorities and say no to anything that might distract you. Stop making promises you can't keep. Whether it be making commitments to yourself or other people,